Alkaline. You cannot talk about football and then we draw Alkaline in the argument.
Yeah. Brother, imagine that.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I said to the man, say, Alkaline fans are not dancehall fans. Alkaline fans are Alkaline fans. And I say the people them burn out and say, me say the people them burn out and then in the comment section hear the people them. We listen every artist, we rate every artist as long as them not this Alkaline. From them this Alkaline redundant them. Dunce, idiot. That because a man can say I'm rate cartel the most, but still can point out say, boy, I'm never rate that what teacher do, you know.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
None of them batty boy no love cartel like me. Sure. I me love cartel the most. Give me a one shot.
Remove your pussy wall and come down. Artists would have done this, but you would not say, boy, teacher should not do this, you know. I'm enough man say, boy, teacher should not do this.
You have enough Gaza fans who cartel can do no wrong in for them eyes. You have enough Gaza.
They might not say it in a public, but in a private.
Them say it in a public, bro.
Yeah.
Them say it in a public, though.
say what?
No.
You see it? Anything sweet you? Go and sour your ass. Riddim! Blood clot, natty.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People are going to do now one Media Fox money up, you know. Yeah, man, you know things that people will get to know tickets. Miami show in a couple days. You see me, I think about 15, 14 days. Yeah, man, you know things that people. I'm a thing, man, get to know ticket. You don't know Reggae Fest, new rules, Alkaline. You don't know things that naga normal. So people, yeah, man, me say, Triple X run out again. Triple X, boy, I don't know wrong with the dog. To be honest, you know. But me have to expose you to them, make the people them know your agenda from. Just wait. So people, make go in that video. You see me? Cause you see, this is the thing, people. Sometimes when you hear some people are talking in the media and them feel like them intellectual or intelligent, yeah, man, sometimes if you read between the lines, them not say none. But we're going to that video.
But look at the pussy. You know, Alkaline is so ahead of the curve all the time. By far. I'm half a game. I'm not an Alkaline fan, right? Gaza, I say. But you have to give Alkaline credit as a visionary because him always they're in front of, you know, Fox. Oh, God, man, the pussy.
Yeah, I'm glad to point out that because look, you know, Alkaline don't follow the crowd. That's why when the youth drop him album on the top about yo, this album I shaggy because it's a sound, is a different thing from the normal thing what uno used to. You understand? Uno just stick in a little one box. You see it? Alkaline I try new sounds and different flows and different everything. Uno reach to that level yet. That's why the youth have girl good and mash up the place. No matter how much song you put to it or this and that, nothing can come against it. Me I tell you that. You see me?
I didn't hear the rest of it. What I read me to, me have to tell you it short. Massacre, you have to give Massacre credit too. Because Massacre run out like the pipe of dancehall pan Riddim. You see, if Massacre never sing a girl song pan Riddim, me not feel like everybody that chuck off a girl song. Everybody does try follow.
The Riddim calls for it to me.
It call for a girl song. Whether or not it calls, listen, it calls.
You see more while Triple X and know where I'm talking now. Brother, when you say Ilangoli bend down low, brother, who are bend down low? Now a woman vibes that, brother. Ilangoli bend down low. Who you see in the heritage dress them and all of them look thing there. Miss Low and them look thing. No woman. So how you have to say if Massacre never do this or bro, summer forward, brother. You know the girls them go out and everything, bro. So definitely is a woman song. Brother now put no gun this and a gun. You understand? It have a woman vibes. I don't know what you talk about, but through the youth talk about the Alkaline, girl good, you switch it. You understand? Yeah. But brother, that's that song that I Riddim there, a literally a girl song for go up on them Riddim the dog. You see me? You know other artists are gonna try different things and bag of things. But no, brother, no Massacre not do nothing. Yeah, Massacre the first artist to voice on it, bro. Now mean say yo, alright, the Riddim sound, when you hear the Riddim, brother, you see me, you know say yo, some girl song I go mash up in summer, you know. You see me? Ilangoli bend down low. No man nah bend down low, fam. Oh man, you understand?
A girl song, but I believe that if Massacre did not go girl song, everybody wouldn't chuck off a girl song. Right. If Massacre
Alkaline, you cannot talk about football and then we draw Alkaline in the argument.
Brother, imagine that.
Me and
So the man say, you cannot talk about football and them draw Alkaline in it. I don't know, two Gaza man them in people. I tell you, so you have to be caution. Brother, who you hear of football argument and them draw Alkaline? Where Alkaline have to do with football and them a dancehall artist? And where them man come from, man? You see it on head, bro? You understand? But they say anything we have to go on a little Jamaican space or so. Same like how the hurricane go on and them say Alkaline no do nothing for the people, them are rare. Better not say some different thing. No football, Alkaline no play football, dog. You see, it's how people are call Alkaline a football thing. You see me? Yeah, man, but you hear them as a people.
Alkaline, me and my library do one video film YouTube. I say to the man say, Alkaline fans are not dancehall fans. Alkaline fans are Alkaline fans. I say the people them burn out and say, the people them burn out and
Triple X, you still go up on a panel and rebuttal the same madness, bro. Eh? What I'm telling you, dog? Or you make yourself look like a fool for the media, so? Eh? You still a double down say Alkaline fans is not dancehall fans. Bro, when you say you have IQ, you're intelligent, bro. You see in your brain? What listen people can touch of him?
Then in the comment section, hear the people them. We listen every artist, we rate every artist as long as them not this Alkaline. From them this Alkaline redundant them. Dunce, idiot, that literally you are literally proving my point. You're loyal to Alkaline to a fault. So if irrespective whoever you rate, the ratings for them is just because they have not this Alkaline. The moment that they go against Alkaline, you don't rate them again. So your ratings for them was not pure. It was peripheral. Your ratings only the
Bro, but you paint it like say Alkaline fans are so low. Alkaline fans alone. Stay like that, brother. When Rhino this cartel, when name they've brought this cartel, don't them the Gaza people no meds them. Yeah, go on like say when something this alliance are the same thing, brother. Some don't know what you talk about, fam. You see me? Cause you make it look like say a Vendetta fan them alone. In a dancehall, when you diss the artists, them no meds your music, them disconnect from you. I know Vendetta fans alone do that. Because people, I kinda realize what I do. And me I go expose it in a video. I try paint Vendetta people them as one of the worst fan base. Like say other artists in the game no get diss and them fans no deal with the other artists who diss them or stop meds them music. Are the same thing, bro. Every fan base I saw it go. Some don't know where you talk. You make it look like say bro, Alkaline fans them alone stay so. You see me? But don't in a video now you are going.
If you Alkaline the only person who is beyond reproach. So you are genuinely different. And like them thing I want to tell you say, the way all people mind set up, people it's like they can't sift through surface level reasoning, brother. And that's when I think I feel like I'm making music so monotonous and tedious, brother.
With the Alkaline thing, could it be that them just rate him more than the others so that he reach a point where yeah man, I just him are the person where him can do no wrong in my eyes. I know like me not like nobody else, but like him are the person who I like the most. So I will fight to his defense more than anybody else. I will like his music more than anybody else. Could it be that?
No. Because a man can say him rate Cartel the most, but still can point out say, boy, I'm never read that with teacher, you know. You ever hear a Vendetta fan say, real Vendetta fan, I don't talk about the casual listeners of Alkaline. They talk about real Vendetta fans. You ever hear them man the old Alkaline accountable for anything what him do wrong?
I know
in the
so.
comment section, I know so. Yeah, man have a comment, but Alkaline never do nothing wrong yet, so me hold him accountable. I can guarantee you, see I go see a comment under the video where say that.
I know some Vendetta fans who will criticize him and them do it out of love, so you like
people, one thing to show is the Triple X are hypocrite, you know. You make a statement, you make it look like say Gaza fans not stay so too. Bro, every fan base are the same thing, brother. You understand? You are going to have Gaza people, you can't tell them nothing about Cartel. Cartel can't do nothing wrong for them in a for them eyesight, bro. Some don't know where you are. You is a Gaza man, in a brother. And you are trying to paint the Vendetta people them, like say the Vendetta people them, are some people where, when I rate nobody and all of them things, they seem like how them with a paint Alkaline make it look like say them not rate nobody. And that you try to do, cause you're involved in the Gaza thing, bro. And the same thing for the Gaza, brother. You have Gaza people, you can't tell them nothing about Cartel where bad. Or you have some of them where Cartel can't do nothing wrong. Everything when do, low man, this, that, rare. So every fan base stay, bro. So you make it feel like say everything I just Vendetta fans alone say so. Yeah, hypocrite, bro, cause Naro tell us, bro, him no Vendetta fans where say Ray, I saw it thing go. You understand? You make paint it like say Alkaline fans alone And at that are your agenda, fam. You see me? Cause heavy look, if you not go up on live, I see him thing you bring back.
Yeah, like them point out certain things or them wish that he was doing or them did I do. Or him did I do before, them wish them did I do it now, things like that. So I mean I go pay the brand.
That is not the same as saying that he was wrong.
Yeah.
That is wishful thinking. You're gonna say in a perfect world, my artist would have done this, but you would not say, boy, teacher should not do this, you know. I'm enough man say, boy, teacher should not do this.
You have enough Gaza fans who can't do no wrong in them eyes. You have enough Gaza.
They might not say it in a public, but in a private.
Them say it in a public, bro. Them say it in a public though.
People, you see say Naro and the Uptown youth are exposed the hypocrite in a Triple X. You know see what man a try do? The man a try paint the Vendetta people in a bad way. But him want give Gaza people in the blind like say I know the same thing, bro. The man I say, yo, no public. Brother, people come out public, come talk same way. You understand? When it comes to cartel, same way. People follow out public and say the same thing. Yeah, make it feel like say you have Vendetta people. Yeah, hypocrite, brother. I'm glad say Nara and the youth call you out. You see me? Yeah, hypocrite, bro.
Say what?
Now anything where teacher do them I work with my
them say that in a public, but me I tell us behind closed doors, them man we sit down and say, boy, teacher I make it hard for me to feel right to say that, brother. I tell you, brother, the man they will have, brother. Me rate Alkaline to the way how the man artist straight in career. So
look, you know people might try to take time and change him out now, you know. Cause I know say a Shagrin just say a while ago and the man them rebuttal it and say, no brother, no so it go. You see me? But he might try pretty it up here now.
The man, me personally believe say Alkaline have the most solid fan base in a dancehall.
If you're not female than a Gaza fans, and between them two,
me feel like female fan base more solid than Gaza fans. Me feel like say Alkaline fans will never ever. Me never say. Me not talk about the little casual listeners of Alkaline. I say the man them I say Vendetta from 2014, 13, 15 till 2000. You see them man they not change, brother. Them man they will never waver. You have enough man we used to say Gaza. From early cartel and say, yo, damn, stop listening to teacher now. I'm really me just listen to Ray. The man them.
So look here now, people. Why am I say this so? A true. Because look here now. You see Alkaline fans them connect. Alright. Them connect to Alkaline music. See? You see Alkaline music tell them about the artist. Them don't know nothing personal about Alkaline, all of these things. You understand? You see, the Gaza people them now is more of a hype and the controversy thing. You see me, it's like when something go on, them just say Gaza, just say Gaza. Some of them don't want the backlash, some of them afraid. You know, them afraid to say the other side because all them rate the other side, you know, but them just afraid to say the other side because them maybe I say, yo, them are gonna cuss me out and all of these things. Because me I gonna show you a witness. So the video ya, seeing? The video ya, one video I go play with the youth. I'm wanting to listen with the youth. I say, so the youth got Alkaline show in a 2017. Seeing? And I got hear him was a Gaza man, you know. So see him like with Triple X I say a while ago. I say, yo, the Gaza man them after a while with the cartel thing. Because enough of them man are really cartel music, you know. Are just the hype and the controversy. So when them see the wave and them I say, yo, if them there on some man, yo, a Gaza, I say no. Because them see what I go on. You see it? So them not too want to say no, but it's easier to say that if you not get no backlash or, you know, feel like say, alright, yeah man, I right, so I'm a pick. But behind doors or so, and not really that. So it's easy for them switch and all of them look at thing there. You see me? So, want to listen, listen to the youth.
Listen to Ray. The man them.
I was used to say Gaza now, but when that I'm thinking right now.
So you where you say a while ago, this was Alkaline show. Him used to say Gaza, but a Vendetta thing right now. And this is when Vice Cartel in a prison. Although Vice Cartel release music, him in a prison. You understand? And enough of them, he cut. Them not too acid because them not see cartel and really cartel music, you know. I just the movement, but Vendetta people them true Alkaline music. You see me? The music them listen to. And all of them think they get to rate the artist and where the artist move and all of them look at things. Enough people run down hype and wave, you know. Them just whatever the wave there, I des of them there. So same like that you time usually say Gaza and now he must say Vendetta, car watcher. Maybe he must say, yo, I got in a prison right now, Alkaline, you know. So that Triple X attack.
No, he's very versatile.
No, Alkaline are the man for the ear right now.
Vendetta for
I said Vendetta from them time there religiously.
It'd be interesting to see how they age with him and his music over the years. We know we have no 20-year Detta fans like we have a 20-year cartel fan. So far it seemed like them dead with him throughout, and it would have been.
Yo, you know say Naro and madman him not no sense, you know. The man say, you know, 20-year Vendetta people, like we have 20-year Cartel. Brother, Cartel and I game more than 20 years, so I'm not gonna have 20-year fans, bro. Alkaline just gone 13 since him boss. You understand? Maybe have little fans, but youth have more years. Youth maybe have 25 more years or 20 years more left or 30 years more left in the game, my brother. You understand? Fans them dead. If them dead with him for 13 years, what is 8 years left? I think about 7 years, yeah. What is 7 years left for them dead with him? When them loyal. I don't understand that.
Interesting.
Comment section. Comment section.
How they age with him over
Comment
years.
section. The people them, where I say, at 2026 now.
Yeah.
Right? 2026 now. So that 10 years ago.
Yeah.
2013 Alkaline come around. So,
yeah.
So that 13 years ago.
For the things you gonna say, yeah, me Alkaline fan for 20 years now.
Hold on, no. I'm gonna show you something. You see the man there?
From 2011 though.
What? Yeah. So me I tell you say, in the comment section, you see that 20 or something you say a while ago, you are gonna make some man this year. That 20 or something you say a while, say you're not gonna have. So you are gonna tell me say the man them there say Vendetta for 13 years. I tell the man say 7 years from now, them are gonna done with Alkaline.
I never said
Alkaline find a different gear in them career now. Wishful thinking.
You know, we see what them.
Yo, no, brother. I'm tell you, I'm not lie, bro. I don't know. I feel like say the day when Alkaline bust in a dancehall, I feel like are the best thing for dancehall. To be honest. I don't know that youth are not in the media, nothing. How the youth stay so relevant, dog? How Alkaline stay so relevant people? Me no see it. This a youth no post. Him no run down cloud. Him no do this. Me no know. Yo, everything him a name calling. All when with just a one category 5 hurricane and thousands of people are donate. Alkaline name that pop up. Yo, we Alkaline, oh now see him. We see this money, we see this money, oh now see. Viral. Tamale and Massacre clash. Every artist at this Alkaline, and Alkaline no say nothing. No, dog. Alkaline do him arena show them. Go get you no tickets. See? Alkaline do him arena show in a Barclays. Yo, this way. A bag of thing. Everything. The youth drop him album. Craziness. Yo, me I tell you, them know every song. They see it, every song. But all album we drop before it, they don't know it. That youth, me don't know that, me don't know. Alkaline, powerful dog. Me don't know. Man, powerful brother. I tell you.
Age with him like 20 years. You see me going like this, I'm an Alkaline fan for over 20 years.
Anyway, come on for the topic. Because you have hear some man in the comment section. We talk about you like every day. We talk about them like one day.
Big up Alkaline, big up Kerry. Yourself, Kerry Bear.
Yo, let me tell you. Enough of them rate Alkaline. You know why though? Them rate him music, you know. But let me tell you what happened. Them rate how the youth move. Or him keep himself to himself. Or that. Them see say him not too in the drama thing and the controversy thing. Him just stay focused. Any controversy, people call him name. You understand? The youth move like a real superstar. And that enough people respect him for. Him not too running. I tell you that. You see me? But I'm going to play one next clip, people, because Triple X did a crash out, you know, people. Yeah, man did a crash out, man. You are going.
This year. I will never look on all, not for the flag of them. You ever see us, not for them, the flag of them, the content creator them on YouTube, where do the video breakdown and the analysis them, and them man, the man them take one sentence and then the man them create this whole huge, sometimes I wonder, where are you going with this?
Yeah, man. I saw you go. You have to just show them up and make them a crash out on the media. I saw you go, Triple X. But tell you, bro, sometimes, not every intelligent is intelligent, brother. You see me? Because at the end of the day, bro, at night, you see me? Because you just follow up on the media and you just feel like say you can use your big words and them things and make things look good. When you talk about a madness, bro. You see me? A bag of madness. Because at the end of the day, you forward out and you say, yo, Vendetta fans and no dancehall fans. When I make no sense. And no, you can't state that because you are going to say why it's like that. It's because when an artist, this Alkaline, Vendetta fans stop make them music. Brother, that not answer the question, brother. Alkaline is a dancehall artist, so he's a dancehall fan. Him go have way go have Afrobeat or R&B. Me not understand that, brother. A wrong explanation, bro. Yeah, try to use, brother. And that's how it go. Not because I'm an artist, this Alkaline and him fans say him not listen to music. Mean say film fans him not do dancehall. No, he's not a dancehall fan. You see me? Madness you talk, bro. Yeah, man. But people, we don't know media fast go to work, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. Respect for the support. You see it? Yeah, man. A mad thing, man. You see me? That is it.